Hey guys, we received this food warming mat from Kinsuto store. It's electric warming tray for food with 9 temperature levels. We got it to test and try. And there's the 11-hour timer as well with a safety lock. So basically, this is a silicone mat that is with electric power and it will warm your food. So you can put it on a dining table or any table and you can put your food like your plates or your cups or anything and this will keep it warm and good. So this is a really nice handy portable warming tray. This is the back. As you can see, this have a good spikes of silicons here. This is the cable for electric connection. So the back is all silicon, and this is also have the spike so that it can give some height from your dining table. So this will not harm your dining table design or the stone herein. So let me just take out all this packing and then set this up. So nice size mat here with a nice design on the corner. So this is the electric switch that will close and I will just connect this up. So once you can see it start and there's a display that you can adjust the temperature. So this is around 23.6 inch in the length, 15.7 inches in the width, and it can easily carry around 3.5 pounds of the food or the total weight. So the height is around 0.78 inches and you can adjust the uh, temperature timer and you can also do a lot of other things. So you can see that it I put it on here and start warming up. It's really hot, so do not touch with your bare hands. Basically it's a really good warming tray with a lock and the safety system with different design and everything. Then it's get cooled easily as well. So once you are closed, it's cool. So you can easily clean this up with the or wash with the water and just clean up. So pretty nice warming mat, I will say, with the spikes in a nice design.